Will a Taurus man come back after no contract? 5 signs he will. Not the other way around. If you broke up with him, it would be the first sign that he would return. How so? A Taurus man usually decides to quit a relationship for one or more valid reasons, you know. He seldom changes his mind as a result. However, there is a catch: if he genuinely loves you, he will only come back to you once the problem that led to their breakup has been handled. More specifically, if you tricked him or had an affair with him, it is unlikely that he will ever come back. But even if you stop talking to him, you can still win him back. Two, you are still friends on social media. The fact that he didn't unfriend or unfollow you on social media is another sign that a Taurus guy will get in touch with you again after a break. When he is really over you, a Taurus man will no longer want to be your friend, not even on social media. To put it simply, he wants you out of his life. However, if he hasn't yet given up his mind, he could reconsider and come back. 3. What would a real psychic say? By observing the indications above and below, you may determine if a Taurus man will return if he is missing for a time. However, the only surefire way to be assured is to chat with a gifted counselor. They can answer questions like: has he moved on? And are you meant to be with him? Finding someone trustworthy is difficult. 4. You didn't try to make him jealous in any way. Look, the distinguishing characteristic of Taurus males is envy. They are also possessive and territorial. Actually, they detest anybody getting too close to their loved ones. They are threatened by the things like that. Of course, this also suggests that they could finally go bonkers if they find out that you are chasing or flirting with another man. 5. You haven't contacted him since the breakup. A Taurus guy responds well to the no-touch rule. How come? He doesn't like needy, clingy women, he loves independent women, he becomes intrigued during times of no communication, he doesn't easily give up on love, and so on.